If there is no sound in the videos of your YouTube application, that is when you watch a video, no sound works. Then for this you should use these methods so that this problem is fixed. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Tap on the sound and vibration option there and see if the sound of the media is not low. If it is low, then increase it. After that, tap on the YouTube application and go to the app info and clear cache and clear storage and update the YouTube application if your application is outdated. With these steps, your YouTube sound not working problem will be fixed. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get